Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Like Coder. Today we are going to discuss about the basic of Python. In this particular video we are going to cover what is Python, benefit and features of Python, what is the application of Python, and how we are going to download the Python software from their official website. Even we'll write the first Python programming code, that is hello world. Python is recommended for the beginner, those people who wants to make their career towards the programming side. So Python is recommended for them because it is simple and easy to learn, and it has a few other features also, like it has functional programming features from the C. It has object oriented programming features from the C++. It has scripting features from the PowerScript and Perl. Even it has modular features from the modular 3. So a few benefits of Python, like it is platform independent. Like if you run your code in Windows, you will get the same result like if you run your code in other OS system. It is a open source programming software. Like you directly visit to their official website and you can download their software and you can use it. It is dynamically typed programming language. That means no need to give explicitly like this is a string type data type or this is a integer type data type. By default, Python will decide whether it is a integer type or it is a string type. Python is an interpreted programming language. That means you no need to explicitly compile the code. By default, Python compile the code and you will get the result. Python is an embedded language. That means you can use your Python code in other language as well as. And Python has extensive library. It has many libraries. We just need to use those libraries to based on our requirement. And also like Python has few applications as well. Like we are using our Python to develop a desktop application. We're using our Pythons to develop web application. We're using a Python to develop database application. In networking we are using Python. In AI and machine learning we are using Python. So many areas are there we are using Python. And today's market, Python is using, like all the markets are going to Python only. It has few limitation also due to slowness. We are not using Python in a mobile application in up to the mark. Next thing is how we'll download the Python software. So it is simple. Open any browser in your system and just type python.org/download and hit enter. Then its official site will open. From there you can enter, like you can just click this button. If you have the Windows, then you can click this one, or else you can select your OS and you can download. So if you click, it will automatically download the Python extension file. You just need to run this file and you can install it. It is, there is no criticality is there. If you still face any issue in installation, so just share the comments in my chat, so that I will make one more video and where I will clearly mention like how will install and run the Python code. If you're done with the installation, then just open your command from the cmd and type Python. If you hit enter, then it will come to Python console, where you will get some information like version and all. And now I'm going to write our first code, programming code, that is hello world. So here I am writing print hello world, and here you are getting the hello world. Print is nothing but is a by default, is a by default function available already in a Python. it will show the output to the user. And so that's it for this video. I wish my video really helping you to learn something. If you felt it help you in any form, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So stay with me. I will be coming with my next video. Thank you. Take care.